Good morning, children. I hope everyone are fine, right? So, in the last class, we discussed that is exercise number 3.4, right? And exercise that one, solve it yourself. I won't solve. Okay, directly we start with the fourth unit, that is a fourth chapter, that is a cubes and cube roots. Okay. Chapter 4, cubes and cube roots. Okay, so in that first they given introduction part, just go through that, page number 55, whatever they given here, first observe that one. That is here in previous classes we have learned that the cube is geometrical solid figure which has all its sides equal, right? So we already studied that is a cube in 7th standard, it is there, right? So in 7th standard already you studied that is a cube, how it is a, and what are the properties of that cube, all those things you know already, right? So geometric, it is a geometrical solid figure which has all sides is as a equal. The cube has all the sides are as a equal only. Okay, so here if we join at 8 cubes of a unit side as shown in a figure given below, then we obtain another cube of a side 2 units. Similarly, 27 unit cubes are required to form a cube of a side 3 units. Okay. So here one cube is there. If we join that cubes, one unit cubes, then to make a 2 unit scope, how many we have to require here? That is a, see the figure, page number 55. They will be given here. That is a, to obtain the cube of a side 2 units, we need 8 cubes of a unit side, and we have, if we need a cube of a 3 units, then we have to need a 27 unit cubes. Okay, so that they given here, this is like a box. Okay, I hope everyone saw the box, how it forms, all those things. So it is looking like a box only. Okay, it is nothing but a square box and rectangular box, like that. So first when the cube of a number is that a number rise to the power 3. Okay. So it is same like a square. So what is the meaning of the square here? Square is nothing but a, it is a number, means whatever the number is there, that power is 2 means that is called as the square. Okay. If a power is 3, if any number take the power of that given number is 3, then it is called as the cube of a number. That is the meaning of the cube. Okay. So thus if n is a number, then cube of n is n cube. Okay. If n is a number, if n is a number, then n, it is a cube of a number. Okay, so the always cube of a number is denoted by like this, n cube, 16 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, like that. Okay, so they given some values here, up to 30 cube, they given values here. First 1 cube is equal to 1, 2 cube is equal to 8, 3 cube is equal to 27, 4 cube is equal to 64, 5 cube is equal to 125, and 6 cube is equal to 216, 7 cube is equal to 343, and 8 cube is equal to 512, 9 cube is equal to 729, 10 cube is equal to 1000, 11 cube is equal to 1331, and 12 cube is equal to 1728, 13 cube is equal to 2197, 14 cube is equal to 2744, 15 cube is equal to 3375, and 16 cube is equal to 4096, 17 cube is equal to 4913, 18 cube is equal to 5832, 19 cube is equal to 6859, 20 cube is equal to 8000, 21 cube is equal to 9261, 22 cube is equal to 10,648, 23 cube is equal to 12,167, 24 cube is equal to 13,824, 25 cube is equal to 15,625, 26 cube is equal to 17,576. 27 cube is equal to 19,683, and 28 cube is equal to 21,952. 29 cube is equal to 24,389. 30 cube is equal to 27,000. Okay, so up to 30 number, 30 cube, the given values here. So please be concentrated on that. Okay, at least up to 10 you must know. Up to 10 you must know all the cube values. Okay, so next they given us some properties of a cube. Okay, what are the properties of a cube is there, we'll see now. The first one is the cube of an even number is even. The first property says that the cube of the even number is even always. If you take any even number and cube of that number you can take, then it will be always even only, right? So the cube of a even number is a even. That is the first property. Next, second property. What is the second property here? The cube of the odd number is odd. Okay, so take any odd number, that is a 3 or a 5. Okay, what is the 3 cube value? That is a 27. And what is the cube of the 5 value? That is a 125, right? So like that, if you take any odd number and cube of that odd number, then always the cube of odd number is odd only. Okay, so cube of a even number is even, cube of a odd number is odd. That is the second property. Next, go for the third property. That is the following table gives the units digits in the cube of a number if the units digit numbers is given like this. See here. Okay, if a number ends with this digit, okay, means in unit place this, that is a 0 to 9 number is there, means then what is the end digit of the cube of that number they are giving. Okay, here if a number is ending with a 0, then its cube of number is also ending with a 0 only. If a number is ending with a 1, then what is the end digit of the cube of a number? That is also 1. If the number is ending with a 2, then it is the cube of number end digit with is end with the 8 number. And if it is a number is 3, last at the end is 3, then cube of its number is 7, ending with a 7. And if a number is ending with a 4, then cube of its number is ending with a 4 only. Next, if a number is ending with a 5, then cube of its number is also ending with a 5 only. And if number is ending with a 6, then cube of its number, that is a cube of its number is also ending with a 6 only. Next, if a number is ending with a 7, then the cube of its number is ending with the 3 here. And if number is ending with a 8, then its cube is also ending with a 2. And if number is ending with a 9 number, then its cube of its number is ending with the 9 only. Here all are same, only except 2 as well as the 7. Okay, 2 is related to 8 and 3 is related to 7. Alternate. 8 is related to 2 and 7 is related to 3. Okay, only these two changes. Otherwise, rest other numbers are as it is, same only. 5 is there, 5, 6 is there, 6, like that. Okay, so only 2 as well as these 3 changes. 2, if 2 is there, then it will be end with the 8. If 8 is there, it will be end with the 2. And if 3 is there, it will be end with the 7. If 7 is there, it will be end with the 3. Okay, only these two numbers changes. Rest all other numbers are same only. Okay, so next one is fourth property. What is the fourth property? See here. The cube of a number ending with the 0 digit ends with the 3 zeros. Okay, so if any number ending with the 0 and the cube of that number is ending with the 3 zeros, because see here only 1 0 is there, means 10 is there. 10. Okay, our number is 10. What is the 10 cube value? 10 into 10 into 10, right? So 3 zeros we have to write. For that reason, so any number ending with a 0 digit, so in cube it is end with the 3 zeros. Okay, that is the one of the property. Next, go for the another property. What is the given here? The cube of a positive number is positive, and the cube of a negative number is negative. We know that one, right? So cube of a positive number is positive, and the cube of the negative number is negative here. Because see here, if you take a minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, what it tells? It is a minus only, right? So like that, in square it will become a positive, but in cube it won't become a positive sign. So positive, only the cube of the positive number is positive. The cube of the negative number is here remains the negative only. It will doesn't make the positive here. Okay. So next, go for the sixth property. What is the sixth property here? That is, the product of the cubes of two numbers is equal to the cube of their products. For two natural numbers a and b, a cube into b cube, that is equal to a into b whole cube. Okay. So here a cube into b cube, that is equal to a into b whole cube. This property satisfies for the cube numbers. Okay. So if a product of the cubes of a two numbers, product of the cubes of the two numbers, that is equal to cube of the product of a two numbers. That is the meaning of this one. A cube into b cube is equal to a into b whole cube. Okay. It will satisfy for the each and every number. Okay. So that is the one of the property here. Next one is a finding a cube of a number. They given here some alternative method to find a cube of a two-digit number. Okay. So only for a two-digit number they given one alternate method. We know, of course, that is why we have to multiply to find a cube. We know that already, 10 into 10 into 10. If you know the multiplication, then we can easily find the cube of the numbers. But they given here one alternative method to find the cube of the two-digit numbers. How to find the cube of the two-digit number? I am saying, not a 3. Okay, keep it in your mind. Only I am saying about the two-digit numbers. Okay, how to find the cube of the given two-digit numbers here. So that is first one they given here. Observe page number 58. I am saying page number, today in today's class, all the theory class it is. No, I am not solving any problems here. Okay. So just observe every methods and every properties of a cubes. And next in the next class we will solve the exercise number 4.1. Okay. So before that, here see first one. Okay. Page number 58. I am saying. Okay. So please observe here. So they given what the method they given here. Observe everyone. This method is generally used to find the cubes of a two-digit numbers, and here we make a use of the identity. That is, we know that identity a plus b whole cube is equal to what? A plus b whole cube is equal to a plus b into a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So here they given here, that is a, no, I said that is a plus b whole square. See, what is the formula of a plus b whole cube? That is a cube plus 3ab plus b cube in the bracket a plus b. That is the formula for the a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is nothing but a what? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab in the bracket a plus b. That is the algebraic identity. You already know that one, right? So using that identity, we are going to find the cube of the two-digit number here. How to do that one? The first step, observe the first step. Make a 4 columns. Write a cube, 3a square, 3ab square and b cube. Okay. So I told the formula is like this. What I told formula? A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus that is equal to multiply here 3a square b plus 3a b square. This is the formula, right? So here 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. So make the 4 columns. First, second, third, and here fourth. Okay. So that is here a cube, it is b cube, and here 3a square b, and here 3ab square. Right? So here I make here the marks. Right? So next one is having a, that is, which one means yes. So I am giving an example for the 48. This is considered as the A and B. 4 is A here and B is 8. 4 is A and B is 8. Okay. So now it is a 4 cube and here 8 cube and here. So write the last one as a B cube. Okay. So here 3A square B and 3AB square and here B cube. So now it will become a 3 into 4 square into b is 8. 3 into 4 into 8 square. And here 8 cube. So what is the answer here? This will become a 64. 16 is a 48. 48 8 is a 8 to 32, 38. 384. And here 12. 12 into 64. 768. What is the value of 8 cube? That is 504. Okay, so we got this much answer. And next one, in the next step, what you have to do here, encircle the 1 digits of the b cube. Okay, so and formed by the rest of the digits 3ab square column 1 3. Okay, so only how to write here this one, and this 51 take this side and add here. Okay, what it will become, that is here only left with the 2 and here 9, it is 11 and here 8, right? So next encircle this 9 and this 81 go to this side, add here 384 plus 81. Okay, in the next step what we left here, here 9 and here 2. Next, same as square in square, to find a square root you did know, like this only how to do. And again encircle 5 here and put 56 here. So here that is 64 plus 46. It is 110. So at the end what we left with here, 2, 9 and here 5 and here 110. Okay. So what is the cube of 48 here? Cube of 48 is 110592. This is the cube of this value. Okay, so like this we have to find. Getting same in a, to find the square of the number, that also we are did like this only. Okay, to find we used, that is the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square, and here we are using the identity a plus b whole cube. Okay, so similarly like a square number, so they given up for a cube also. Okay, so same it is. So correct, properly observe and do this one. Okay, next one is a patterns of a cubes they given here. Observe every patterns properly. It's 1 cube is equal to 1 square. 1 cube plus 2 cube is equal to 1 plus 2 whole square. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 whole square. They given a 2 patterns here. Properly observe that patterns. Okay, because they will use to find the some cube of the values. Okay, for that reason you have to study the pattern of a cubes here. Okay, so in the next we are having a some more Using a pattern only you have to do the problems, and after that they given us some word problems here. Okay. Okay. So in the next class we'll continue the 4.1. Okay. So till that, be safe in your home. Homework is write all the properties of this cubes and the meaning of the cube, and the starting from the 1 to 30. Write all the cubes values. Okay. So do that one. That is the homework for you. We'll continue in the next class. Okay. Thank you everyone.